So first you start with batting. I just use cotton. And then I just got a scrappy piece of material, and it just needs to have one straight line. We're gonna put this in the center.
So if it was like this, it would be okay? So as long as you just have one straight side.
Okay. And then you just get a piece of another scrap.
Okay.
Just cut it however you'd like. And then you put it right sides together along one of the straight lines there. You want to sew? You ready to sew?
Sure. So it's almost like maybe a flip and fold, or even like paper piecing, right? And now I just...
flip and fold it. And then you do the same thing. And so you could put it here, you could put it on this side, but you're going to put right sides together.
And there we go.
Then you're going to get another piece of material, and you're just going to do the same. You'll just go right along there, and you're just going to
so you may have a little piece underneath.
And then you'll have some underneath, and it will just cover that right up.
Yeah,
so
why not?
Just add to.
Oh my goodness, so easy.